For Firestick, install the downloader app, enable unknown sources and settings, and sideload Sportsurge via APK from mirror sites. A VPN is highly recommended to bypass blocks. For TV, no native app exists. Cast from a PC or mobile via Chromecast. Android TVs can sideload the APK or use a browser. Roku requires screen mirroring from a phone or PC. On PC, use web browsers like Chrome or Firefox. Employ ad blocking extensions like uBlock Origin for a cleaner experience. VLC Media Player can play stream URLs directly. On mobile, Android users download the APK from unofficial sources. iOS users can use Safari or apps like Documents by Reddle to sideload. Be aware that mobile streams are often lower quality. Using Sportsurge comes with inherent risks due to its unofficial streaming nature. Always use a VPN to mask your IP address, as ISPs may throttle or block the site. Enable ad blockers to avoid malware. Be cautious of phishing attempts on related domains. Remember that accessing pirated streams may violate copyright laws, potentially leading to legal issues. While Sportsurge provides free access, consider legal alternatives like ESPN Plus, Peacock, or Paramount Plus for a safer and more reliable viewing experience. Understand that content quality on Sportsurge can be inconsistent due to ad-heavy, low-resolution feeds.